Okay, now we are going to be looking at no triangle given to us, but we know that it says pi is an acute angle, and sine is 4/7. Now, you could draw this, and that's going to be that. Opposite is 4, hypotenuse is 7, so we need to find our missing side. Similar to the last problem, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. We have 4 squared plus, we'll call it y squared. We don't know that side equals our hypotenuse squared, which is 7 squared. That's 16 plus y squared equals 49. Subtract 16. Y squared equals root 33. Sorry, y squared equals 33. I was thinking a little too far ahead. Then we take the square root and y equals root 33. So notice it's not always going to be a pretty number, but we'll make it work. Now that we know that missing piece, we can go ahead and write out our other 5. We didn't have to do all 6 because we knew what sine was. So our opposite is 4. Whoops. 4. Our adjacent is root 33, and our hypotenuse is 7. We can go ahead and build them. We need to know cosecant, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, so root 33/7. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, that is 4/root 33. Now, you guys, hopefully you are seeing that there's a square root in the bottom, which is not pretty, and we don't like that, and we're not supposed to have that. So in order to get rid of the square root, we're going to rationalize, which is multiplying the numerator and the denominator by root 33 over root 33, which is a big 1. And that's going to change it to 4 root 33 over 33. And that is it. Now we have our main 3. We can go ahead and find our reciprocals. So first up is cosecant. We have that sine is 4/7, so cosecant is 7/4. It's the reciprocal. Then we've got secant, which is the reciprocal of cosine. So that's 7/root 33. And following the same rule, we can't have that root in the bottom. So that means we have 7 root 33 over 33. And the last one is cotangent, which if you look all the way back at the first step, flipping it, that gives us root 33/4. And those are our other 5 function values.